My name is Marissa. I'm from New York City. I go to Sacred Heart and I'm on the Putney, Peru program. So we started off in Cusco, which is a big city in Peru. We toured the city, we went around to marketplaces, and then we went to our main part of our program, which was the service portion, and that was when we went to Kakai, and we stayed in the host community. We helped build the second floor of a house. We also did a lot of gardening and weeding, and we also helped at the hospital so they could open it. And we had so much fun with the children. That was probably my favorite part, was just meeting the children, speaking to them. I don't even speak Spanish and they don't speak English, but I was still able to really form great bonds with them. I think my greatest word was definitely my lack of Spanish speaking. And I wasn't really sure if I would do well with that, but I think I'm actually pretty proud of myself that I was able to communicate with everyone, and that my friends on the group, they really helped me. I think my highlights was hiking Machu Picchu because I went at my own pace with my friends. We just talked. It was a great birthday present seeing Machu Picchu, like just getting to the top on my birthday, seeing Machu Picchu, like that was just so cool. There was definitely a lot of times I wanted to just like fall down on the ground, but I just kept going, and just like my friends helped me up, my counselors helped me up, so it was definitely just like community.